What's up guys, this is Jinsam. Today we're gonna study basic places. Actually, after this, we're gonna make sentences with go. Go is just go, I go. So before we study how to make sentences with go, you have to get some basic words which are places because we're gonna put different places in sentences. So house and home, this is 집. Okay, and convenience store. In Korea we have several different branches of convenience store like 7-Eleven, GS, and things like that. So anyway, convenience store, we just call them 편의점. 편의점. Okay, and next, toilet. 화장실. And next, airport. 공항. Next, school. 학교. Next, company. Company is 회사. Okay. Hospital. 병원. Next, coffee shop, coffee place. This is 카페 or coffee shop. Yeah, just as it is, we use that word like Korean, coffee shop, but pronunciation is not coffee shop. We call that coffee shop. Coffee shop, okay? Okay, next one. Which last? Seoul. 서울. Korea. 한국. So that's all. We practice it together. 집. 집. 편의점. 편의점. Actually, this is 의, but we say just 이. 편의점, something like that, right? Only pronunciation, okay? 편의점, 편의점. Next, 화장실, 화장실. 공항, 공항. 학교, 학교. 회사, 회사. 병원, 병원. 카페, 카페. 커피숍, 커피숍. 서울, 서울. 한국, 한국. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.